Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Now we're going to talk about video editing, for beginner how they can start. Video editing allows you to take raw footage and transform it into a polished and professional final product. By carefully selecting shots, adjusting color and sound, and adding effects, you can create a compelling and engaging visual story that captures the attention of your audience. Whether you're creating a video for personal enjoyment, for business, or for a creative project, video editing can be a rewarding and satisfying process that allows you to express your creativity and showcase your skills. So, if you're looking for a way to bring your vision to life and make your videos stand out, video editing is definitely worth exploring. There are different categories for editing videos. Let's talk about these categories so that you get very good knowledge in this field. 1. Create a montage. Take a collection of videos or photos and edit them together in a creative way with music and transitions. 2. Add text. Use text overlays to convey information, tell a story, or highlight important points in the video. 3. Create a tutorial. Use screen recording software to create a tutorial or how-to video and edit it to make it engaging and easy to follow. 4. Add special effects. Use video editing software to add special effects such as slow motion, time-lapse, or color grading. 5. Edit for social media. Create videos specifically for social media platforms, such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, using their specific aspect ratios and editing features. 6. Edit for events. Edit footage from weddings, parties, or other events to create a highlight reel or a video that captures the best moments. 7. Create a vlog. Edit footage from your daily life to create a vlog and add music and text overlays to make it more engaging. 8. Edit for business. Create videos for businesses, such as promotional videos, client testimonials, or training videos. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.